Hey guys, today, this doesn't look so well. Actually, this doesn't look so well. I'm not sure. What? How did the crazy train in a different world with a lot of hills? Oh, just kidding. I knew this level. I built it on my own. We're going to drive my crazy train around my track. So let's get started. Come on. You can do better than that. Come on, you can make it. Come on. Yeah, but it's not really going to pick up much speed. I know that. Oh yeah, let's go into a view. No, not that kind. That kind. Here we go. Okay. So we are going down here. Wow. Oh. I better make it up this hill. Well, it's a pretty small one, so I better make it. Okay, we made it, hooray! Okay, here we go, we're going down, we are going down. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're going up. Oh my goodness, this is like the worst thing ever. OMG. Oh no, oh my gosh. Wait, this isn't really fast. We're gonna be hitting up some hills. We're not going up that hill right now. We're gonna save that for the fun part. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is like so much fun on my train. Okay, we're going up this hill. We're gonna be picking up speed soon. Okay, we're going down. Woohoo. Yeah. Okay. I don't know why I have so many dislikes on my videos. Anyway, here we go. I'm gonna stop talking about dislikes. And we're going up here. Woohoo! Oh, and I make videos every Wednesday. So on Animal Jam, I'm going to record on Wednesdays because Wednesdays are awesome. But today's my lucky day. I'm making this video. Today is Thursday. This is the only Thursday I'm going to make my video. The other days are going to be Wednesdays. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know we're going super fast. No train, don't go. No, I don't. Not you. Oh my gosh, wait up. I have to catch up. Oh, wait. Ooh. Oh, that bend. The train made it, yeah. Okay. Here's the big hill. I saved it from the fun part. Are you guys ready? Go! Come on, go. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're heading back to the start. I don't know why there's so many slow graphics when I make my videos. So every time I get my recorder or whatever, I just make... Woo! Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna get into the cat. Okay, we're at the start. Okay, stop my train. Stop. I dare you to stop. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to stop you. Why aren't you stopping? Okay, There you go. That's it. That's it. Here you go. That's it. That's it. I hope you guys... Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, subscribe. We only have 5 subscribers now. So, please leave a comment down below. Please like the video, because I haven't had much likes. Please subscribe, mostly. See you later.